Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become one of the most transformative technologies of our time. Over the past few decades, we have witnessed a remarkable rise in the development and adoption of AI across various industries. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI has revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with technology. In this video, we will explore the fascinating journey of AI, from its humble beginnings to its current state as a powerful tool driving innovation and shaping the future. Join us as we delve into the world of AI and uncover its incredible potential. Now that we have a glimpse of the rise of AI technology, let's dive deeper into understanding what exactly artificial intelligence is. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It involves the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and problem-solving. AI encompasses a wide range of techniques, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Through these advanced technologies, AI enables computers to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, make predictions, and even interact with humans in a more natural and intuitive way. So, in essence, AI is about creating intelligent machines that can mimic and augment human capabilities, leading to endless possibilities and opportunities for innovation. Now that we have a solid understanding of what artificial intelligence is, let's explore how this groundbreaking technology is revolutionizing various industries. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, AI is making its presence felt everywhere. In the healthcare sector, AI is being used to analyze medical data, diagnose diseases, and even assist in surgical procedures. This not only improves accuracy, but also saves valuable time and resources. In finance, AI algorithms are employed for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading, enabling faster and more efficient decision-making. The transportation industry is leveraging AI to develop self-driving cars, optimize traffic flow, and enhance logistics operations. And in the world of entertainment, AI is transforming the way we create and consume content, from personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to the creation of virtual actors and characters. As we look ahead to the future of artificial intelligence, we are filled with both excitement and anticipation. The potential for AI to transform our lives is immense, but so are the challenges that lie ahead. One of the key opportunities that AI presents is the ability to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. This has the potential to increase productivity and efficiency across various industries. AI also offers the opportunity to enhance decision-making processes by analyzing vast amounts of data and providing valuable insights. With AI-powered algorithms, businesses can make more informed decisions, leading to better outcomes. However, along with these opportunities come challenges. One of the major concerns surrounding AI is the ethical implications it raises. As AI becomes more advanced, questions arise about privacy, security, and bias in decision-making. Ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable is crucial. Additionally, there is a growing concern about job displacement as AI takes over certain tasks traditionally performed by humans. It is important to find a balance between automation and human involvement to ensure a smooth transition. The future of AI holds great promise, but it is essential that we address these challenges proactively and responsibly. By doing so, we can unleash the full potential of AI while safeguarding the interests of humanity.